technologies have greatly changed our daily life. Therefore, Europe wants to make sure that the digital transformation works for all its citizens. The opportunities are many: equal access to education and healthcare, ease of transport, safer working conditions, and a sustainable planet. Our goal is to build on European values and project them onto the international stage. However, we can only achieve these with technology that works for the people, a competitive digital economy for business, and empowered citizens. Our goal is that Europe ensures technological sovereignty. Digital transformation built with and for the people. This will be the European way.